You searched how to buy shares of Cantourage Group SE, a company listed on Xetra under the ticker IH.DE that operates in medical cannabis cultivation and processing. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice, so please do your own research before deciding to invest. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your account before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker and type HIIH.DE to locate the listing. Make sure you select the result that trades on Xetra to ensure you have the correct Cantourage Group SE share. On the asset page, you can read a brief company description, view trading details, and see the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange Xetra, and ticker HIIH.DE to be certain this is the correct stock. To buy, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it confirms the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.